Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add stylish frames to your videos on CapCut PC. So select your video or picture and scale it down so you can see the border. Scroll down under basic and go to canvas. You can choose from this blur border. You can also choose colors too. There's a lot of colors to choose from, and you have this last option, which is style, and as you can see they give you a lot of options on it, and you can choose which one you like the best for your videos. Maybe this one, maybe scale it down a little so you can see it, but I would have to scale it down a lot to see the kind of drawing on it. Maybe this one works kind of, but let's see which one I would want. Okay, I kind of like this one. I'm just going to resize it again. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!